Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the all and the any function in Python. Okay, the all function returns true if all items in an iterable are true, otherwise it returns false. If the iterable object is empty, the all function also returns true. Okay, and when used on a dictionary, the all function checks if all the keys are true, not the values. Okay, so let's see the all function in action. So let's do my list. Let's do true, true, true. Okay, now let's do result equals to all, and here my list. Here we have to pass the iterable, right? And as you can see by the doc string, return true if this is true for all values of x in the iterable. Okay, all right. Now print result, run the program, we are getting true. But in case if I just add another false here, run the program, we are getting false. Okay, so this is the all function. So we can use that with the list. We can use that with the tuple as well. So let's do my tuple. Okay, let's do 0, 1, 1, and let's see what happens. So my tuple, run the program, we are getting false. But if I just do something like this, 1, we are getting true. So now you might be thinking like, hey, this is not the true value, right? But once again, in Python, all of the values have the truthiness and the falsiness, right? And we have discussed about the truthiness and the falsiness of the values in this course as well. In case if you haven't watched that, please watch that particular video. Okay, so here is our tuple. Then let's add a set. So my set equals to, let's add 0, 1, 0, my set. Okay, run the program, we are getting false here. All right, so once again we can add dictionary as well. So my dictionary equals to, let's do 0 with apple, 1 for banana. Okay, and we can do something like my dictionary as well. Run the program, we are getting false here. Okay, so this is the all function which checks for all of the values. If all of the values are true, then it will return true. Then here we will discuss about the any function. The any function returns true if any item in an iterable are true, otherwise it returns false. If the iterable object is empty, the any function will return false. When used in a dictionary, basically the any function checks if any of the keys are true, not the values. All right, so we are having this one. So I will just copy this one here. What we can do something like this. Comment out this one and do any. First of all, let's start with the my list. Run the program, we are getting true. All right, so let's do with my tuple. We are getting also true. Why is that? Because any of the items here is 1, basically we are having 1, that is why we are getting true here. Okay, then my set, run the program, we are getting true once again. So if I just change it to 0, we are getting false here. Okay, but let's change it to 1. And now let's do for the my dictionary, and we are getting true once again. Okay, so this is the all and the any function in Python. Okay,